Hello guys, welcome to my channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now it's our mm, I can say a type of common video which is on especially logical operators, and the common videos will come if the topic of C++ or Java is same, and remember, only syntax is changed. The logical statements of the language won't be changed in any type of language. Remember this line. And logical operators, what are logical operators? These are basically um, a type of operators in which the case is related to true or false. Now what I mean, logical operators are of three types. Okay, and sorry, logical and, logical or, and logical not. Okay, now let's understand their uses one by one. Logical and. What is logical and? Logical and will return true if any of the condition is true. Now if I write here, if int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 5.0f. One second, wait. Let me make this another type of variable float. Okay, now if I put here a minus b is equal to 0, sorry, and a plus b is equal to 5. What I want to do here, count true, else count false. Okay, let's run it. I think no error should occur. Basta error. Oops, one second. Here I have put single equal to. It's false. As you can see, it's false. If I write here 10, I think it will be true. You'll see here. True. Now, what's the main concept of logical AND? Main concept is, if any value is equal to false, then statement is equal to false. Okay, full statement will be false. Now let's understand about logical OR operator. Now any of the statement is true, it will return true. Is the basic concept of logical OR. if I copy it, paste it here, now what's the meaning of logical not? Always did opposite. Okay, if I put here a minus b is not equal to, it is type of a logical operator but used always as assignment operator. Is logical operator because a condition has to be given to it, so it's not a assignment operator. A minus b is equal to 0. Now a minus b is not equal to 0, it will return false. If it's true, it will return false. You can see. Now if I write here 10, sorry, not 10, if I write here true, not operator, here I will write not operator, use not operator like this. If true, it will return false always. If false, it will return true always. You can see true. Now same thing is in Java. Let's copy it and I will paste it. Sorry, not paste it. I have told you the common videos will be made for one language and can be applied for another language too. But how? All statements would be same in Java, but printing statement will be different, like system.out.println or print or printf will be used instead of count. Okay, thanks for watching and ask the doubts in the comment section. Thank you.